Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be going over how to take your blood pressure with a blood pressure monitor. And today's video is sponsored by the guys that sent this over to us, which is Runstar. I've reviewed a few of their products. Great company. I've used this one now for a few days. Works really well. So first thing you're going to do is select the appropriate cuff. Sometimes they'll come with multiple cuffs. If you put it on, it's too big, too small, switch the cuff. This one here is a decent size. Let me go ahead and do exactly what it says on here. It shows a little picture on there. They're all pretty much the same thing in regards to how to put them on. This one says to put it on your left arm, and we're going to do that. And then this little tube right here should be over your brachial artery, which is the artery that runs down your arm. And then you're going to tighten this up. Not super tight, but nice and snug. And then you're going to have your monitor here. You're going to go ahead and turn it on. This monitor here,
Measurement is starting. Please relax.
as you see, it talks to you. It told me not to talk.
Systolic blood pressure, 143 mmHg. Diastolic blood pressure, 70 mmHg. Heart rate, 78 beats per minute. Your blood pressure is high.
All right, so as you see right there, that's how it works. My blood pressure is a little high. Average blood pressure is about 120/80. Of course, that will vary based on your age, your overall health, a whole bunch of different things. So be sure to consult with your physician in regards to what yours should be. Overall, as you saw, really easy to do. I do recommend the Runstar one right here. As I said, they did send it over to us, but you can set your date, time, stuff in here, and it will store all that as well. So it's great to be able to just go back, recall those, write them down if you need to. Heck, this thing right here, it's mobile. You can pick it up, take it into your doctor, go over the results with your doctor and stuff. If you don't want to use batteries, that's fine. It does come with a USB-A to USB-C connection right here. Just plugs into the side. Also, it does come with a nice little handy dandy carrying case, so you can take this with you easily. Just put this all in here and you will be good to go. So overall, great little product here. That's how you take your blood pressure. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, whatever, drop them down there in the comments. I'll also have the product linked for this down there in the comments, as well as the description for this video. And once again, thanks for stopping by Reviews and How-Tos.